maita zviti makaranga chakatanga kubreka ndimo na Mnangagwa makandotanga kuisa Gukurahundi kumandevere. Pati munosunga munhu anotaura zvokuti nyika isunungurwe munotsvaka kuda kusunga munhu wakadaro. But imimi makaita Gukurahundi wana Mnangagwa negrupu renyu nehondo yacho musina kuinda imimi nana Kristi Mutsvangwa imimi mukaita Gukurahundi vamwe vakaita nawo Gukurahundi wewo Mnangagwa vakatofa. Ende munorangarira here kuti kwawakaenda kwandunge ndunge wakakuudza kuti nguva yako yapera uchazobva uchimhanya. Message yendiri kutaura iyi muromo wandiri kutaura uyu ndunge asati ashayika akaudza Mnangagwa izvozvo aenda. Saka ndi pandakakupa kuti utonge wewo Mnangagwa pakakwana. Kwawava kuenda kumberi uku uchazobvapo uchimhanyiswa zvakubuda. Mnangagwa nenharo dzako ukada kushandisa chisimba chomushonga chawakaudzwa kunzi kutonga kwako kwakwana ende ukaramba kubhadhara nokuti unozviti uri president. Ukaramba kubhadhara mishonga kwandunge kuchipingi. Ende ukatoudziwa Mnangagwa iwewe kune maaudio ariko izvozvo akaitwa interview pamusoro pescava ukawanda uchiti flag yakamirira chichichi but inyoka yako iyo. Some other young people and some other followers of ZANU-PF, they are wearing that scarf, but they don't know what is the meaning. They are not only the meaning of the colors of that scarf because they have a color of the flag of Zimbabwe. But you have a meaning of that. That's why every time and single time you don't remove that. You have your agreement about this. Don't take the Zimbabwean people as a small children, like people they are not thinking. Kune mwana wako wani anopfeka scarf wamwe havapfeki. Hamena kuti ndiye kuda here kana kuti ndiye anzani Shoni. Pakati pakuda na Shoni, one of those guys, they are wearing, one of him, he wearing his scarf like his father. Zvitarire vana veZimbabwe sendiri kutaura pano. Vamwe vana vaMnangagwa havapfeki scarf. Chero mukadzi waMnangagwa mumbomona akapfeka scarf. But iye Mnangagwa pane mwana wake kana asiri Shoni kana kuti kuda. Pane vana vaMnangagwa vaviri vakafanana. One wavo anopfeka scarf sababa vake. Anotozva secret iri pascarf yeye. Imimi mapenzi magudzi amudungwe takamirira kutongwa. Muri kungoenda mondopfekedzwa scarf kuda kuita uniform. But vane uniform meaning ya uniform yavo. Chikoro chichipuwa uniform kutoda uniform yakadai zvine meaning yechikoro. Vari kungozouya vana vechikoro vanongonzi kuchikoro kwedu kunopfekwa green, kuferi kwedu kunopfekwa maroon, kuferi kwedu kunopfekwa blue. But the blue and grey, they don't have that a full information what is the meaning of this cover. Now, Mnangagwa, you killing more than 35 generals. They are on the ground because of you. And it's your turn to go out. After that, people, they are shooting you. Mark my word. What I'm saying, no matter you are protected like what? Masoja chao Mnangagwa atakufura. Newachiwenga iwewe. Ukakona kisa resignation letter in 24 hours. By the end of the story, you get shooted. No matter mukachikidzira vanhu makabata zvimafoto, makaswa zvimafoto zvepfuti wati. Kana nguva yakwana. chero vatariri vako varipo padhuze neunofa nofurwa kwangofa. Ende simbo vadzidzi vanongozokuona wawa, mafollowers anongozokuona wawa, ende vototora shoka dzavo kutiza nokuti panenge pasingachamiriki. Situation yatava nayo kezvinezvi, vanhu veZANU-PF newedhane ugarwe waidana mudharagezi kuti boki paipapo, ende Daniel ugarwe uri kuzonyura, owe nemudha uri kuzonyura, tatenda mavetera uri kuzonyura, nouyu mufana uyu Tino Machakaire uri kuzonyura. Munoona kuti macriminal akangwara anoita sakudata gurei na pedzisa Scott sakupanya uyo kumeso ngokuita sakunozorwa Greece. They are busy to stealing, and we can never, we heard their voices long back ago. Nowadays, they are busy to share, to smuggling. How are they take their money out? How are they getting some more money to put somewhere else? They can run. But end up or Singapore police, you can arresting you no matter you are in Europe. No matter you are living on the ground, you bought the ground house. Anakadafi. Akazobatwa. Gaddafi, Muammar Gaddafi palipia. Akabatwa. Akangozofa. But akata makore manga anachigara muvu. Pakanga pakawanda. But kana nguva yakwana. Zvinobuda zvega pachena. Saka kana dambudziko rishiya kumunhu, don't go on the side. Go through with that problem until we finish with that, with the problem what you're facing. Then you can go to another stage. ZANU-PF now, you're facing a serious challenges to come out of in power in Zimbabwe. You have to face through all those challenges as a ZANU-PF party and the ZANU-PF members and official. And you have to believe the time is counting down. It's our turn to go down. No matter what, the voice of Zimbabweans, Zimbabwean citizens, and the army and the police, they are fucking sick and tired with what you did, what you done for Zimbabwean country and Zimbabwean children. Always I say this, the army, the money what you receive now as a payment, it's not enough for your children, also it's for yourself. No matter you're a general, that salary is not enough for you. Go to the camp, most of the company in Zimbabwe, they don't have a permanent worker, which means if you are over 50 and 60 years, you don't have a pension. Who brought that thing? Is ZANU-PF. The whole Zimbabwean country, there is no permanent worker. Even in the army, if he doesn't know that, go to the laws of Zimbabwe, to the judiciary of Zimbabwe. They can tell you, the judiciary of Zimbabwe, they can tell you. That's why if you retire today as a general army, or as an army, or as a teacher, or as a police, you don't have nothing comes in to your pocket because you are a seasonal worker, you are a general worker, you are not a permanent, you are not registered. Who do that? It's ZANU-PF. The counseling, Ian Smith was right, was he have some benefit from the government in the company. Where is NASA now? NASA on the mouth, but you take the money from the people, you say, to deducting for the NASA and UIF there in Zimbabwe. But UIF and NASA, they are taking that money to put it to the pocket of Mnangagwa and their brothers and their children and his wife. That's why most of them, they are say doctors Kuda, Doctors Shoni, Doctors Sidambuzo Mnangagwa, Dr. Auxilia Mnangagwa, Dr. Emerson Junior Mnangagwa. Everyone is doctor, because of the criminality. Advocate Shoni Mnangagwa, advocate Kuda Mnangagwa, advocate Emerson Dambuzo Mnangagwa, advocate fucking Junior fucking Emerson Mnangagwa. That is nonsense. Only you with your children, you are eating on your house. Check the next door of you, they are suffering. Your next your neighboring from you, Mnangagwa. Where are you living now? Where are you living in Mashabani here? Nearby Pekame Mission, between Daru and Matenda there. Before you moving out to that farm there, was staying here. Between Daru and the Pekame Mission. That is where you coming from. Where are you coming from? Ms. Shaban. Look at those people in Daru shopping center. Look at Matenda. That road from, but you cannot believe it's the road where the president coming from and where the president grows up here. From Chachacha through Daru, through Pekame Mission, Daru, Matenda, Denge, what, Mabasa. There is no tarot. And you put some bore there. They can have water from now until end of August. From August until April, the people, they are suffering with the water there. You put a lot of bore, but they don't have the water. Bastard.